Oh, this horn. Sparkles the Clown here. You want to know what's just chaffing my britches? I'm going to tell you. Today, the subject is immigration. Immigration. So hot a subject, I could boil an egg on my head. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, sir. Now look, I think I figured out the problem. We don't seem to know the difference between legal and illegal immigration. So let's just talk about it quickly, because I do go on and rant. I'm telling you, I am an immigrant. I immigrated to this country in 1958 when I was 8 years old. Now, so I came here from another country, had to learn the language, had to go to school, and here I am. I'm a citizen. Been here most of my life. Now, here's what's upsetting me, okay? I had to learn this language. I had to learn English because otherwise I wouldn't be able to read the directions. I wouldn't be able to read, write, function, work. So, you know, I don't like all this talk we've been having. I've been listening to lots of people. Boy, I'm listening to Lou Dobbs too. A lot of news channels are giving us good information, except for, you know, one of them that's just so in the tank for everything liberal. I consider myself a liberal conservative, and I am upset at the fact that we are not controlling the borders. We are not expecting people when they immigrate to come learn the language, and that means if they get a driver's license, are they safe to ride on the roads? And we're not asking for enough proof when they work here and they are illegal. We're giving them rights that we don't even have as citizens. We're giving them to terrorists and to illegal immigrants. Now, do kids that are born here, even of illegal parents, well, maybe we need to give them a pathway so the kids can stay in the schools. I'm not inhumane here, but this stuff of our system and our government and our judicial system not doing its job, not enforcing the laws that are already made of the land, and questioning what language? No, the sign should be in one language, Inglesi, English, you know? Now, do we learn other languages? Of course. I've been out of the country. I've learned other languages, a little bit of them. But the point is, we need to be fair. Because if we go to another country, we have to abide by the laws of that land, and more of those people probably speak our language than we speak theirs, but that's because English has become more of the universal language. So all this fuss about illegal immigrants and haven cities, or whatever that word is, where people go and they're illegal and the government in that city doesn't do anything about it. I've heard California, Los Angeles, I even heard Denver today. I'm thinking, wait a minute, this is out of whack. Let's stop this mess. You come here, you pay your taxes, you learn the language, you learn how to do things, and if you need some time, that's fine. You know, we help people. We find a path. If you've been here a long time, maybe you do community service, pay something, you know, or start paying taxes today and work up some reasonable plan. Because if they're not wealthy, they may not have money to pay back taxes because maybe some moron that they work for stole it. And we need to protect the E-Verify. We need to stop this mess with immigration and stop the illegal stuff, the drug running, the whole thing is getting out of hand, and we're having to pay for all kinds of services and things, and some of us don't even get the services, and here we have all these people sneaking in. I mean, I'm happy they want to be here. I wanted to be here, but I had to do it the right way, and everybody should. And if they have children here in schools, maybe we find a pathway that's legit. But by golly, we need to start enforcing the difference between legal and illegal. And I don't think that's being nasty to anybody of any race or color or creed or whatever you want to call it. Just let's be legal about it and find a way that doesn't harm this nation, because if we don't protect it, nobody's going to have it. That's all I got to say, because you're chaffing my britches.